Online questionnaires have become very common. Government agencies collect feedback on their proposals. Researchers collect data for their scientific studies. And you can even vote in political elections. Online questionnaires have been the target of manipulation as long as they exist. Some amusing examples include naming a UK government-owned boat Boaty McBoatface, and an American comedian swaying the election of New Zealand's Bird of the Century. Not all manipulations occur in the public's view. Changing the results of a government consultation without anybody noticing is much more dangerous. So, how do you do it? The easiest way is to submit the same form several times. Just keep on clicking on the Submit button. This approach is relatively easy to detect and limited by how much time a person is willing to invest. Writing a few lines of computer code can automate this process and allow a bad actor to submit millions of forms. We refer to such computer programs as bots. To keep bots out, people are nowadays asked to demonstrate that they're human. Unfortunately, the recent developments in artificial intelligence enable bots to pass such tests. For scientists, this is bad news. Collecting data online through dedicated platforms such as Amazon's Mechanical Turk and Prolific has become popular due to its low cost and high speed. Data collection is done within days instead of months. But bots are not the only challenge for scientists conducting experiments online. Participants are being paid and they have an incentive to fill in forms as quickly as possible, resulting in poor data. A common shortcut is to randomly click on answers without reading them. Scientists use a variety of methods to check the quality of the responses, such as the time it took for participants to fill in the form or attention check questions. A good approach to test if the participants paid attention is to ask them to justify their previous answers. By analyzing the responses, the scientists get an idea not only if the response was from a human, but also how much attention the human paid. The recent advances in artificial intelligence, particularly those in large language models, challenge online data collection. ChatGPT, BART, and Llama enable bots to overcome CAPTCHAs and to fill in forms. Our study investigated whether text generated by an AI for the purpose of an online study can be detected by both humans and automatic AI detection systems. The participants in our study had to guess who the author is of 20 text segments. We also measured other indicators, such as the quality and readability of the text. The results indicated that participants achieved an overall accuracy of only 76% in identifying the authorships of texts. Keeping in mind that a 50% accuracy indicates the chance level. The problem with using humans to identify bots is that it does not scale up. It would be much better if a computer program could do this task. Several AI detection systems are available, and we used a variety of them in our experiment. The automatic AI detection systems did not perform any better than the chance level. They were not able to accurately and reliably identify the author of the texts. The results of our experiment show that the arrival of large language models renders automatic AI detection systems ineffective. Using humans to identify bots is also not as precise as desired. Moreover, having to rely on humans to remove the speed and cost advantage of online questionnaire platforms. There's no reason to believe that bad actors would refrain from using large language models to earn money by automatically filling in forms. Even more concerning is the impact that large language models may have on examens. If teachers can no longer assure that a response is written by a student, then grading becomes a nightmare. Arguably, the biggest danger is the hidden manipulation of our political and scientific processes. If a small number of bad actors can bias data collection, then the foundation of the social sciences and public consultation is in danger. The full details of our studies are available in a paper which is linked in the description below.